Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to sort your contacts on your iPhone device by the first name. So maybe you have a lot of first names and you are currently sorting by the last name and you just can't remember what the last name of that person is. So you may want to just sort your contacts by first name to easily find that person. If you want to do that, I'm going to show you how you can do that in the settings. You're going to simply go ahead and open settings here on your iPhone. And once you go to settings, we're going to go ahead and just scroll down until we see the section for contacts. Go ahead and tap on contacts, and then you're going to see an option here for sort order and display order. So if you want to be able to sort by first name, you can go ahead and tap first and then last. It's likely already set to last first. And then if you want to display from first to last, you can go ahead and do that. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up and have an amazing day. Take care.